Assalamualaikum my dear children, I am here with an interesting lesson, that is early people. In this lesson we are going to learn about the early people who used to live millions of years ago. How they used to live, how they used to behave, what they used to eat, and how they used to live their life. Let's find out all these interesting facts about this. So let's get started. We already know there are different sources that we can use to learn about our past. We have learned about this in the previous lesson. A timeline is a good way of remembering when things happen in the past. So we have learned about the timeline also. It is used to learn about the past. Okay. And sources means what? Zaria. Historians are the sources of history, children. Next. Now moving ahead, did you ever wonder how the first human beings lived? What did they eat? What did they wear? How did they move from one place to another? Let's go back in time to find answers to some of these puzzles. In the previous period, children, when the early people used to live, there were no factories, there were no clothes to wear, there were no food to eat. There were no cooked food to eat. So they used to eat the raw things. Raw means कच्चे चीज़ें खा लेते थे वो लोग. Because there were no material to make the things. That is why they used to behave in that way. Means they used to eat the raw things. Okay, कच्ची चीज़ें खा लेते थे. So let's find out about them. Here we go. Tasty, juicy, red. Behind grandma's house, the twins found wild berries growing on thorny bushes. So tasty, juicy, red. What is tasty, juicy, red here? We are talking about the berries here. So berries will be red in color, right? And they will be very tasty and juicy. So behind grandma's house, twins Millie and Joy, they found these berry trees. They were growing on the thorny bushes. Okay, so these berries were growing on thorny bushes. Thorny means what? Kaante wale. Okay, bushes means chote jhad. So these berries were growing on the thorny bushes. Careful not to scratch themselves on the thorns, the twigs gathered the fruits and ate them. So berries, they grow on the thorny bushes, na? So these twins Millie and Joy, they plucked them very carefully. Why? Because there were thorns on that bush, right? Thorns means kaate the. So they pluck out those berries very carefully, and the twins gathered the fruits and ate them. Then they gathered the fruits and ate together. They carried some for grandma as well. Then they carried some for the grandma also. Grandma smiled as she ate one. Tasty. Did you know that that is how our earliest ancestors survived? After eating, grandma smiled. She said, it's very tasty. Then grandma asked the twins that, did you know that how our earliest ancestors survived? Who are our ancestors, children? Ancestors means people who lived long time ago. Okay, पुराने ज़माने के लोग. That is called as the ancestors. So grandma asked the twins a question that, did you know that how our earlier ancestors survived? कैसा रहते थे पहले के लोग? They gathered fruits and roots and ate them in order to live. So these ancestors, earliest ancestors, they used to gather the fruits and roots and ate them in order to live. They used to gather the fruits and roots in a raw form, and they used to eat. Okay, and they used to live in that way. That's true. Our earliest ancestors were gatherers. That means they dug up roots that they could not that they could eat, and plucked fruits from trees. So that's true, children. Our earlier ancestors, they used to gather the food. So that is why they are called as the gatherers. Okay, that means they used to dug up roots that they could eat. So whatever the roots they can eat, they used to dug. Okay, वो लोग खोद कर निकाल लेते थे, and plucked fruits from the trees, and they used to pluck the fruits from the trees like this. Look at this man is a early man. ये बहुत पुराने ज़माने का आदमी है. So in those period there were no clothes to wear. That is why they are naked in this picture. Okay. Next. They moved from place to place in search of food, and like the animals, they used to move from place to place in search of food, and they also hunted small animals and ate their meat raw. And also not only they used to eat these fruits and roots, but also they used to hunt the small animals. वो लोग छोटे animal का शिकार करते थे. They used to hunt the small animals, and they used to eat that meat raw. Okay, raw means what? Kacha. So they used to hunt the small animals and eat them. Okay, like that only they used to eat. Why? Because there were no material in that period to cook, isn't it? So they used to eat them raw only. Okay, this is the reason why they used to eat the raw materials. That is the reason why historians call them hunter gatherers. So this is the reason why this early man is called as the hunter gatherer. Okay, hunter gatherer means they used to hunt the animals and gather the food, and they used to eat in the raw form. Raw means कच्चा खा लेते थे. Why? Because there were no material to cook the food. They used to eat in a raw form. The story of these early people is known as prehistory. Pre meaning before. So the story of these early people is called as the prehistory, children. Pre means what? The meaning of pre, pre means before. So history means past. Past से भी पहले का पढ़ने के बारे में को prehistory कहते हैं. Okay. It is called so because for this time there are no written records of what our ancestors did or how they lived. Why we are calling it as prehistory? Why? Because in this time we don't have their records. Records means what? Record means notes on facts and events. So there are no written records of the ancestors, how they used to live, how they used to behave. There are no records for that. So prehistory lasted for many years, and this prehistory lasted for many years. Many million years ago these early humans used to live, children, and it lasted for many years ago. It is much longer than history, and it is much longer than history. Life and times of early humans. Let's find out that. Early human beings lived many years ago. They came from a family of animals called the hominids. 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 Hominids means what? It's a family of animal to which human belongs. Okay, animals family to which the human belongs, that is called as the hominids. So these early humans, they belong to this group, children. Okay, and many years ago they lived. These were human like animals who could walk straight. So these early humans, they used to behave like animals only. Why? Because there were no material, there were no cloth, but this type of animal, they call them as animals, and they used to walk straight like we human beings. They are human beings only. Just because there were no material, there were no advancement, they used to behave like an animal. So these type of animals, human like animals, used to walk straight. The oldest hominid remains have been found in Africa, and these people usually they are found in Africa, children. They used to live in Africa. You can look at Africa in the map on page 21. Let's look at the map on page 21. Look at the map here. Where is Africa? Here. In this place, the early human used to live. They used to behave like animal. A human like animal, we call them as. Okay, children? Now, I would like to end up my discussion here, children. We'll catch up in the next video with the next part of this explanation. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.